A very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and you all are fine. In today's class, we will understand the concept of shareholders meeting. In all these classes, we will go through with the Companies Act provisions as well as the Sebi provisions in detail. But let's start today's topic and we will complete the topic very soon. So in today's topic, we will understand the concept of shareholders meeting. All right, sir. Just a second. Let me share meetings with all of you. Just a second. What is this? Yes. What is this? Okay. Here. This one. So, why? Just a second. Let me give you the overbrief. So, please try to understand the concept of the shareholders meeting. This is very, very, very important. Shareholders meeting. For example, you are incorporating one company. Let's say corporate Guru Private Limited. No problem. We can incorporate a company. Now, if we incorporate a company, there are two kinds of people. One is the shareholder. One is the director. No problem at all. Now, please try to understand that the directors have some powers as well as the shareholders have some powers. To exercise those powers, we need to conduct the meeting. If we conduct the meeting of shareholders, it will be termed as general meeting. Okay, sir. If we conduct the meeting of shareholder, it will be termed as the general meeting. But if we conduct the meeting of the directors, it will be considered as the board meeting. All right, sir. No problem at all. So there are some rights which have to be exercised by shareholders, and there are some rights which have to be exercised by the directors. To exercise those rights, we have to conduct the meeting. If we conduct the meeting of the shareholders, this will be termed as general meeting. If we conduct the meeting of the directors, the same will be treated as the board meeting. All right, sir. No problem at all. Now, please try to understand this also. If we conduct the general meeting, there are two kinds of meeting. One is the annual general meeting. Annual general meeting. Okay, sir, no problem. And the second one is the extraordinary general meeting. I will explain all these things, no problem at all. Just have a patience. Extraordinary general meeting. Okay, sir, no problem at all. Please try to understand now the concept of annual general meeting. Let's say Mithi and Pratik, we are incorporating one company and the company name is, let's say, AB Private Limited. No problem, sir. We are incorporating this company on 3rd August 2021. ठीक है, sir. First of all, I have a question for all of you. Could you please let me know when the financial year of this company will start? From when the financial year of this company will start? Yes, anyone? When the financial year of this company will start?
So 1st April 2022.
1st April 2021.
So 22.
22? No. No. Yes, anyone? No, sir. So see, the first financial year will start from the date of incorporation. The date of incorporation is 3rd August 2021. So the financial year will start from this. And do you know one thing? The financial year will end on 31st March 2022. Okay, sir. So this is the financial year in front of you. The financial year will start from this date and will end on this date. Now, sir, please try to understand that, sir, in this period also, we must have conducted the business. हमने sale की होगी, हमने etc. किया होगा. We must have do the business. So, sir, हमारी profit हुआ होगा, loss हुआ होगा, etc. and etc. So, sir, we have to make the record of all the data. Yes, sir. We will prepare the financial statement. Yes or no? So, financial statement means the balance sheet, the profit and loss account, the cash flow statement, etc. and etc. But as of now, try to understand that we have to make the financial statement. Okay, sir, no problem. We will make the financial statement of this period. Okay, sir. Now, please try to understand this, that this financial statement will have to be produced before the shareholders. आपको ये वाले जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स जो आपने बनाए हैं, that you have to produce before the shareholders. अच्छा सर, कौन सी मीटिंग में प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग. We will produce the financial statements that we have prepared before the shareholders in the annual general meeting. The shareholder will consider and approve the financial statement. Okay, अगर आपने ज्यादा expense किया होगा, the shareholder will disagree with you. The shareholders will dart you. The shareholders will scold you. So you don't have, first of all, try to understand that we have to produce the financial statement before the shareholders in the annual general meeting. Okay, sir. Apart from the financial statement, we also have to produce the board report. Sir, what is the board report? Okay. The board report is, board means the board of directors. In the board report, the board of director will mention how much, or you can say how many times they have met, they have decided the items or the transactions of the business. So they will write the frequency of the board meetings. उन्होंने क्या-क्या decisions लिए, whatsoever the decision they have taken, they all have to write in the board report. छोटे से छोटा, बड़े से बड़ा, they all have to write the same in the board report. Okay, sir. Apart from the board report, the auditor report will also be produced. So what is the auditor report? Please try to understand this also. जो आपने financial statement बनाए हैं, जो whatsoever the financial statement you have made, आपको वो किसी से check तो करवाने पड़ेंगे. You have to get through, you have to get this checked. So वो कौन check करेगा? A chartered accountant. A chartered accountant will check that whether you have prepared the accounts as per the provisions of the act or not. So a chartered accountant will give the report. This report is known as the auditor report. Okay, sir. So all these three reports One is the financial statement, one is the board report, one is the auditor report. You have to place these three documents in the annual general meeting. The shareholders will go through with these documents and वो आपको या तो डांटेंगे अगर आपने एक्सपेंस ज्यादा किए होंगे, अगर अदरवाइज प्यार करेंगे अगर आपने लिमिट में किए होंगे तो. All right, sir. That is why the annual general meeting is important. Okay, so first concept is cleared that in the annual general meeting, we should produce the financial statement, the board report, as well as the auditor report before the shareholders in the annual general meeting. Okay, sir, no problem at all. So, sir, we have understood the agenda. That, sir, why do we need to conduct the annual general meeting? But please try to understand now. For example, let's say a corporate guru private limited. Just a second, let me plug the charger of the laptop. Just a second. Just a second. Yes. So let's say we are incorporating Corporate Guru Private Limited. Let's say we are incorporating the same today itself. No problem, sir. No problem at all. So, sir, the financial year will start from this date and will end on 31st March 2022. Now, please try to understand that as per the law, we have to conduct the annual general meeting each calendar year. Sir, what is the meaning of calendar year? Yes, anyone would like to tell? What is the meaning of calendar year? Sir, the calendar year means 1st January to 31st December. Yes. So, for example, we have incorporated Corporate Guru Private Limited on this date, 3rd of August 2021. And the financial year will close on 31st 3 2022. But as per the law, हमें AGM हर एक कैलेंडर ईयर में करवानी है. We have to get the AGM, or we have to conduct the AGM in every calendar year. Here is a problem. क्या प्रॉब्लम है सर? हमारा कैलेंडर ईयर अगर हमने इनकॉर्पोरेट किया 3rd of August 2021, तो सर we should conduct the annual general meeting in 2021 by 31st December 2021, because as per the law, AGM has to be conducted every calendar year. But sir, हमारा फाइनेंशियल ईयर तो क्लोज होगा 31st March 2022. Problem arise हुई. How we will conduct the AGM in this case? Here is a problem. Now, please try to understand the solution of the problem. Ministry ने बोला and the parliament ने बोला कि sir, you have 9 months to conduct the first AGM. Sir, for example, आपका financial year कब close होगा? Your financial year will close on 31st of March 2022. Thereafter, after the closing of the financial year, you have to conduct the first annual general meeting of the company within 9 months. So, sir, क्या date आ जाएगी? 31st December 2022. Yes, you have to conduct the first AGM before 31st of December 2022. But, sir, I have a doubt. As per the law, we have to conduct the AGM in every calendar year. But sir, मैं तो यहाँ पर ये वाले कैलेंडर ईयर में 2021 में तो कोई AGM कर ही नहीं रहा. मिनिस्ट्री ने कहा no problem at all. If you conduct the AGM, if you conduct the first AGM within 9 months after the closing of the financial year, then you don't have to conduct the annual general meeting in the calendar year of the incorporation. अरे करके करोगे क्या? आपकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट तो भी रेडी ही नहीं हुई होगी. That is why Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Parliament have given you a solution that if you conduct the meeting, if you conduct the first annual general meeting within the period of 9 months, then you don't have to conduct the first AGM in this year. Okay, sir. Okay. Let me give you a question. Do let me know the answer in the chat box. Let's say we are incorporating Corporate Guru Private Limited. This is very, very, very important concept. We are incorporating Corporate Guru Private Limited. So when we are incorporating, let's say 30th April 2021. I have a question for all of you. When the financial year of this company will start? Yes, anyone would like to answer here? You're allowed to mention your answer in the chat box. When the financial year of this company will start? Akankrita, very nice. 30th April 2021. Very nice. Adarsh, Mithi, no problem at all. And when the financial year of this company will close? Yes. When the financial year of this company will close? So 31st, very nice. Mithi, Adarsh, 31st March 2022. Okay, sir. No problem. Very nice, Ehwan. 31st March 2022. Okay. Sir, by how much time we have to conduct the first annual general meeting? The answer is, sir, we have 9 months to conduct the first annual general meeting. So, sir, by 31st December 2022, we have to conduct the first annual general meeting. Very nice, Adarsh. But as per the law, we have to conduct the AGM in every calendar year. But sir, ये वाले calendar year में तो हो ही नहीं रही. For example, this calendar year is 1st Jan 2021 से लेके 31st December 2021. In this calendar year, we are not having the AGM. But the solution is, that is okay. That is okay. If you have the AGM after the financial year, after the closing of the financial year, within 9 months, then you don't have to conduct the AGM in this period. Okay, sir. Okay. I have a question. Sir, just a second. Let me give you the questions. For example, sir, the company is incorporated on 30th April 2021. Okay. The financial year will close on 31st March 2022. No problem, sir. Now, we have to conduct the AGM by 31st December 2022. This AGM is for financial year, this one. Okay, sir. First financial year. Financial year is 2021 to 2022. Now, company is going on the business. Company is conducting the business. The second financial year will start on, yes, when the second financial year will start. So 1st March 2022. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So 1st of April 2022. And this second financial year will close on 31st March 2023. Very nice. Very nice, others. 2023. The second financial year will close on this. So You have informed us that to conduct the first AGM, we have the 9 months. But sir, now this second financial year is closing. The second financial year is closing. Now, how much time we will have to conduct the AGM of this financial year? 9 months, yes or no? Yes, sir, 9 months. The answer is 6 months. 6 months. So we have to conduct the AGM by 31st 9 2023. Okay, sir. This will be the second AGM for which financial year? For this financial year. Sir, I have a doubt. You have stated that in each calendar year, we have to conduct the AGM. Okay, yes, this is true. Let's check that whether we have conducted the AGM in each calendar year. Sir, in 2021, we did not have conduct the AGM because we have conducted the AGM within 9 months. हमने 9 months के अंदर AGM conduct कर ली first. तो सर पहली AGM हमारी calendar year किसमें हो गई? 2022 में हो. ओके सर. जो हमारी second है वो कौन से calendar year में हो गई? 2023 में. Yes, in each calendar year we are having the annual general meeting. Okay, sir. I hope you have understood the concept. Let me give you one more concept. Let me give you one more concept. Just a second. Sir, let's say, just a second. Corporate Guru Private Limited. All right, sir. No problem at all. Now, sir, this company is incorporated on, let's say, 30th March. Oh, just a second. First, no, not first. Let's say 7 March 2021. This company is incorporating on 7th March 2021. When the financial year of this company will close? Anyone would like to answer here? Yes. When the financial year of this company will close? The answer is wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Ehwan. Wrong. Very nice, Mithi. The financial year of this company will close on 31st March 2021, unfortunately. Yes, this is the concept. That is why we don't incorporate the companies in the month of March. हम कहेंगे बेटा एक महीने का और वेट कर लेना. Okay. So the financial year of this company will close on 31st March 2021. And by how much time we have to conduct the AGM? The answer is within 9 months. Correct. Within 9 months of closing of the financial year. So, sir, we have to conduct the AGM by 31st December 2021. So, sir, इस कंपनी को सिर्फ कितने महीनों का टाइम मिला? Just you can say 9 months का टाइम मिला. Just 9 months का टाइम मिला. They have to conduct the AGM. But let me give you one more example. Please try to assume, let's say if this company is incorporated on 5 May 2020, when the financial year of this company will close? The answer is, sir, 31st March 2021. Very nice, Miti. 31st March 2021. And they have to conduct the AGM within this period only. So, sir, इसको 9 months नहीं मिले. इसको तो ये समझ लो 19 months मिल गए. 19 months this company has got. Okay, sir. Okay, understood. Sir, you have to play very safely. Okay. So, for example, just for the sake of brevity, I am saying that this company is incorporating on 1st May 2020, and the financial year will close on 31st March 2021. So, within how much time, sir? Within 9 months, we have to conduct the AGM. Okay, sir. So, to conduct the first AGM, we have the 9 months. But let's say I am conducting the AGM of this company on just a second, March, April, May, 31st May 2000, let's say 21. Whether I can do this, can I conduct the AGM of this company on 31st of May 2021? The answer is Mithi, Kankrita, Ehwan. Yes, very nice. So we can conduct the AGM, no problem at all. Okay, please try to understand. I will confuse you. Now, for financial year 2021, no, 2022, 2021, we have conducted the AGM on 31st May 2021. No problem at all. Now, second financial year will start. Financial year 2021 to 2022. Okay, no problem at all. This is 31st March 2022. By how much time we have to conduct the AGM? The answer is, sir, 31st. Yes, very nice. Within 6 months, September 2022. Sir, assume that I am conducting an AGM on this month, 31st September 2022. मेरी फर्स्ट एजीएम कब हुई थी? 31st ऑफ मई 2021. सेकंड एजीएम मेरी कब हो रही है? 31st सितंबर 2022. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, क्या ऐसा अलाउ होना चाहिए? फर्स्ट एजीएम मेरी 31st में, सेकंड एजीएम मेरी 31st सितंबर 2022. इनमें कितने महीनों का गैप है? हाउ मच मंथ द गैप इज देयर इन इट? यस, एनीवन कैन स्टेट कितने महीनों का इसमें गैप है? Could you please let me know the gap? Sir, 16 months ka. Ehwan is saying, sir, 16 months. Mithi is saying, sir, 14 months. Akshara is also saying, sir, 16 months. Okay. Let me assume that, sir, इसमें 16 months का gap है. Let me just assume. Okay, sir. Let's assume इसमें 16 months का gap है. अगर ऐसा है, we cannot conduct the AGM on this date because आपकी जो दो AGM है, the gap between two AGM should not exceed 15 months. Oh, the gap between two AGM should not exceed 15 months. Okay, sir. We have understood the concept. That's the first AGM we have to conduct within 9 months of the closing of the financial year. The second or the subsequent AGM we have to conduct within the 6 months of the closing of the financial year. And the gap between two AGM shall not exceed the 15 months. All right, sir, that we have understood. And in each calendar year, we have to conduct the AGM. But yes, if you conduct the AGM, the first AGM within the 9 months of the closing of the financial year, then आपको relaxation मिल जाएगी first calendar year में जो आपका incorporation वाला है तो. Okay, sir. If you have the doubt in this concept, please do not worry to ask. Yes, anyone? Any doubt to anyone? No problem at all. You may ask. Yes, Adarsh, Ehwan, Akshara, Mithi. Any doubt to anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
मुझे वो relaxation वाला part समझ नहीं आ रहा. जैसे हम within 9 months of the closing of financial year अगर हम first AGM करते हैं तो वो सर relaxation किस basis, मतलब मुझे वो समझ नहीं आया सर.
देखो, Mithi, please try to understand. देखो, let's say we are incorporating corporate Guru Private Limited. Okay. Let's say we are incorporating on 3rd of August 2021. Okay, no problem. The financial year will close on 31st March 2022. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, please try to understand, Mithi, that we have to conduct the AGM as per the law. We have to conduct the AGM in each calendar year. हर एक कैलेंडर ईयर में हमें AGM कंडक्ट करनी है. बट सर एक बात बताओ, मेरा कैलेंडर ईयर स्टार्ट होगा ये वाली कंपनी का 1 जैन से लेकर 31 दिसंबर तक. बट सर मेरी तो अभी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं बनी. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि मेरा फाइनेंशियल ईयर क्लोज होगा 31 मार्च 2022. अब ध्यान से समझो मिथि, मिनिस्ट्री ने बोला ओके वी हैव अंडरस्टूड योर कॉन्सेप्ट कि सर आप 31 दिसंबर से पहले तो एजीएम कंडक्ट करवा ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि आप तो जस्ट अभी इनकॉर्पोरेट हुए हो. तो आपको कब करवानी है? आफ्टर द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल ईयर विदिन 9 months. Thereafter कसम खा लो इन एवरी कैलेंडर ईयर आपको एजीएम तो कंडक्ट करवानी ही करवानी है. एवरी कैलेंडर ईयर आपको एजीएम कंडक्ट करवानी है. बट हाँ, यहाँ पर रिलैक्सेशन है कि अगर आपकी कंपनी जस्ट अभी इनकॉर्पोरेट हुई है तो सर आप कैसे एजीएम करवा दोगे? कैलेंडर ईयर में नहीं करवा पाओगे. यस मिथि?
जी सर.
You got the point now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt to you, Mithi?
नहीं sir, thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Yes. Any doubt to anyone apart from the Mithi? You're allowed to ask. Okay, sir. No doubt at all. Now, please try to understand this point also. So, sir, we have understood when we have to conduct the annual general meeting. Sir, I have a doubt. When we can conduct the AGM? When we can conduct the AGM, sir? This is very, very, very important concept. Time of the AGM. So what would be the time of the AGM? Let me show you the notice, the Reliance Industries AGM notice. Yes. This is very, very, very important. Just a second. Here it is. Sir, Reliance Industries की एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग हो चुकी है. Yes. June 24, 2021. Okay. Now, please try to understand, sir. They have mentioned that they will conduct the annual general meeting of the shareholders of Reliance at 2 p.m. Sir, I have a doubt. Instead of 2 p.m., क्या मैं यहाँ पर ये लिख सकता हूँ that, sir, let's have the AGM at 8 p.m. Yes. Anyone? Can we write here that AGM will be conducted at 8 p.m.? The answer is no. We have to call. आपको AGM conduct करवानी है 9 to 6 के बीच में. You have to call the AGM from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sir, I have a doubt. Let's say मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा 5 p.m. We will conduct the AGM at 5 p.m. But sir, AGM is going on beyond 6 p.m. Whether the same is allowed that the AGM is going on till 10 p.m., 9 p.m., 8 p.m. The answer is yes. No problem at all. But आपको अपने shareholders को बुलाना है business hours से पहले. You should call your shareholders before the business hours. उनको आप बिठा के रख सकते हो आगे चल के. No problem at all. तो गलती से भी बेटा आपको यहाँ पर क्या नहीं लिखना 8 p.m. You don't need to write 6 p.m. You can write after. For example, your AGM may go beyond 6 p.m. No problem at all. But आप वो shareholders को बुलाना 6 p.m. से पहले है. 9 to 6 p.m. Okay, sir. बात समझ में आती है. Sir, I have a doubt. I have a doubt. Sir, can we call the AGM on Sunday? Yes. Can we call the AGM on Sunday? Yes, Evan. Anyone would like to answer here? Mithi? Akan Kritika? No. Mithi is saying no. Evan is saying no. Okay. Akan Krita, you are saying no. But the answer is yes. We can conduct the AGM on Sunday also. No problem at all. आपको AGM कब नहीं conduct करवानी, that is important. You should not conduct the AGM on a public holiday. We should not conduct the AGM on public holiday. Now, what is the meaning of public holiday? Sir, 3 date है ऐसी. One is 15 August, 15th of August. One is 26th of January. And the one is Gandhi Jayanti, 2 October. In all these dates, you cannot conduct the AGM. But apart from this, you can conduct the AGM on any other day, including Sunday also. Okay, sir, no problem at all. We have understood the time. We have understood the day. Now, sir, we have to understand where we have to conduct the AGM. Where? AGM की place क्या होगी, sir? What would be the place of the AGM? This is very, very, very important to understand. What is the place of the AGM? Okay. Now, please try to understand this. Every company has the registered office. Registered office. Registered office is the primary address of the company. Okay, sir. Now, every company has to call the AGM at the registered office. Every company have to call the AGM at the registered office. Sir, I have a doubt. Let me show you the place of registered office of Reliance. Just a second. MCA. Companies. You will be surprised to know Reliance Industries Limited. HORUNTS. Yes, the registered office of this company is at Nariman Point. Okay, sir, no problem at all. But do you know one thing? The capacity of this registered office is only, let's say, just a second. Let's just a second. Yes, the capacity of this registered office is just, let's say, 200 shareholders, 200 members. So, sir, हम shareholders को कहाँ बिठाएंगे? Reliance के तो लाखों shareholders है ना? Yes. So, relaxation दे दी यहाँ पर. उन्होंने बोला कि sir, you have to conduct the AGM at the registered office or within the same city, within the same city of the registered office. जहां पर आपका registered office situated है, उसी same city के अंदर you have to conduct the annual general meeting. That is why जो बेटा Reliance है वो बहुत बड़ा stadium book करता है. Reliance books the stadium to conduct the AGM because उसके registered office पे इतने सारे shareholders नहीं आ सकते. Okay, sir. Okay, we have understood that where we have to conduct the AGM also. Sir, the answer is we have to conduct the AGM at the registered office or within the same city where your registered office is situated. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, can we conduct the AGM outside India? Can we conduct the AGM outside India? Yes or no? The answer is no. We cannot conduct the AGM outside India. No problem. Sir, I have another doubt. For example, my registered office of the company is at Nariman Point. Okay, no problem at all. Sir, can I conduct the annual general meeting at Delhi? क्या मैं दिल्ली में अपनी एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग करवा सकता हूं? Yes or no? Akan Kritika is saying no. Yes. Can we conduct the AGM? If my registered office is at the Nariman Point, can we conduct the AGM in Delhi? Ehwan is saying yes. Ehwan, you're allowed to unmute yourself. Please go ahead. Why? Yes, Ehwan. You can also write your answer in the chat box. No problem at all.
No, sir, there's no reason, sir. I just took a guess, sir.
It's just a guess.
Yes, sir, because it is in India only, so I don't think it would be much of an issue.
Okay. See, we cannot conduct the AGM at any other place. See, we have to conduct the AGM at the registered office, the first thing, or we have to conduct the AGM within the same city of the registered office. But sir, let's say, please try to understand this. Companies कितने तरीके की होती है? One is listed company. Listed company means जिसके शेयर्स, जिसके डिबेंचर्स, जिसकी सिक्योरिटी कहां पर लिस्ट है बेटा? स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे लिस्ट है. Ehwan. Listed company means a company which securities are listed at the stock exchange. एक कंपनी होती है अनलिस्टेड कंपनी, और अनलिस्टेड कंपनी तो कहीं भी हो सकती है बेटा, वो कोई भी हो सकती है, पब्लिक भी हो सकती है बेटा और प्राइवेट भी हो सकती है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन ऑल दिस थिंग्स, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बट आई एम जस्ट एज्यूमिंग दैट कि जो अनलिस्टेड कंपनी है वो दोनों हो सकती है, पब्लिक भी प्राइवेट भी. लिस्टेड कंपनी भी हो सकती है जो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे लिस्ट होती है. नाउ इफ योर कंपनी इज लिस्टेड कंपनी, आपको कहां करवाना है? या तो रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस और within the same city of registered office. But if your company is unlisted, चाहे वो public हो चाहे वो private हो, doesn't matter at all. If your company is public listed, then you have three options. You can conduct the AGM at registered office or within the same city, no problem, of registered office, or any place in India. Any place in India. Outside नहीं करवा सकते, any place in India. But for that, you have to take the consent of all the shareholders. You have to take the consent of all the shareholders in advance. If you want to conduct the AGM at any place in India, any place apart from the registered office or within the same city of the registered office, then you have to take the consent of all the shareholders in advance. But sir, if your company is listed company, then you cannot conduct the AGM at any place in India, irrespective of the fact you have the consent. No, not required. आपको या तो रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस में ही करनी है और या तो सेम सिटी के अंदर अंदर ही करनी है. All right, sir. All right. Let me show you the Reliance Industry AGM notice. Sir, Reliance Industries का जो ये वाला जो पार्ट था, this is the video conferencing, no problem at all. But जो Reliance Industries जो होती है, आप मुझे बताओ, whether the Reliance Industries is listed company or unlisted company. Yes, sir, Reliance company के तो shares जो है बाजार में बिकते हैं. The shares of the Reliance companies are being sold in the market. That's why the Reliance company is the listed company. And for every listed company, you have to take or you have to conduct the AGM within the at the registered office or within the same city of the registered office. That is the concept. Now, please do let me know. You are free to ask me any doubt. Irrespective of the facts, you are free to ask me any doubt if you have. Yes, Mithi, Vijay, Raman, any doubt to anyone? Please go ahead. No need to worry about the same. You are very much allowed to ask me the doubts.
Sir, in case any company fails to conduct AGM in a particular calendar year, so what will happen to them?
Okay, very nice, Adarsh. Very nice. Sir, just a second. Sir, for example, this is corporate Guru Private Limited. The company, let's say the company is incorporated on 3rd of, just a second, 3rd of August 2021. The financial year will start from this and will end on 31st March 2022. Thereafter, Adarsh, by how much time we have to conduct the first AGM? Within 9 months. So, sir, 31st December 2022, we have to conduct the first AGM. But let's say, sir, we fail to conduct the AGM. What would be the consequences in this case? Here is the consequences. Just a second. Here it is. I have explained all these things to you. Now, just a second. Yes, if the company is not conducting the AGM, then it is very, very, very important. A penalty will be imposed. Let me go through and let me show you section 99 of the Companies Act 2013. This is, here it is, section 99. If the company failed to conduct the AGM within the stipulated time, then हर एक कंपनी के ऊपर और ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट के ऊपर, हर एक ऑफिसर के ऊपर कितने रुपए की पेनल्टी लग सकती है बेटा? 1 lakh rupees की. 1 lakh rupees penalty will be imposed if you do not conduct the AGM within the stipulated time. Yes, Adarsh, you got the point.
Sir, the officers who are referred are the directors of the company.
Yes, every director, for example, the company secretary also.
Okay,
Company
sir.
secretary also, because it is the duty of the company secretary to conduct the annual general meeting. So the company secretary, all the officers of the company will be held liable in that case. Yes, Adarsh, any doubt to you now?
No, sir. Thank you, sir, for clarifying.
Okay, yes, Evan, Akshara, any doubt to anyone? Evan, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, Evan, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, sir, for the annual general meeting, the 9 months criterion is in the calendar year. And in case if one person is unable to fulfill the AGM criterion in the calendar year, then 6 months from the financial year is given as an exception.
The first AGM we have to conduct within 9 months of the closing of the financial year. Yes?
Yes, sir.
The second and the subsequent AGM we have to conduct within 6 months of the closing of financial year. Yes or no? Yes. But as per the rule, we have to conduct the AGM in every calendar year also. In every calendar year, we have to conduct the AGM. But sir, for example, I have one. Here is the example for you. Just a second. Yes. For example, if we are incorporating a company on 3rd of August 2021, and the calendar year will close on 31st December 2021. So, sir, as per the law, we have to conduct the AGM in every calendar year, but we will not conduct the AGM here. Why? Because relaxation hai. In the first financial year, we have the relaxation. Yes or no, Evan?
Yes, sir.
You got the point?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Also, sir, if you could just highlight the section, sir, then it would be
Yes, yes, very nice. The section of the AGM is 96 of the Companies Act 2013. Now, let me show you section 96 of the Companies Act 2013. We have gone through with the provisions of section 96 in detail. Oh, where is it? Is 95 Annual General Meeting. Sir, you have understood this point now. कि सर हमें कब करवानी है, 15 महीने का गैप नहीं होना चाहिए, नॉट मोर देन 15 नहीं, दोनों एजीएम के बीच में. फर्स्ट एजीएम हमें कब करवानी है, 9 मंथ के बीच में. सेकंड एजीएम हमें कब करवानी है, 6 मंथ्स के बीच में. बट यस, इन ईच कैलेंडर ईयर वी हैव टू कंडक्ट द एजीएम. यस, we have to conduct the AGM in every calendar year. See, this is shall in each year हमें AGM conduct करवानी है. But yes, अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में करवाते हो 9 months के अंदर, then no problem at all. सर ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. टाइमिंग क्या होंगे सर AGM के? सर 9 to 6 हमें कॉल करवानी है. कब नहीं करवानी? नेशनल हॉलिडे पे नहीं करवानी. कहाँ करवानी है? रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस या सेम सिटी जहां पर रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस है. बट अगर आपकी कंपनी अनलिस्टेड है तो आप कहीं पे भी इंडिया में करवा सकते हो, अगर आपके पास कंसेंट आ चुकी है सारे के सारे शेयर होल्डर्स की. 96 सेक्शन रिवाइज हो गया. AGM अब आपके टिप्स पे है. Yes, any doubt to anyone? You are very much again allowed to ask. Kankritika, any doubt to you? Kankrita, no doubt, sir. Very nice. Akshara, any doubt? So I am giving you one homework. Bithi, any doubt to you? No, sir.
No, sir.
Great. So we have completed section 96 of the Companies Act. बहुत ही important है sir, बहुत ही important. आप annual general meeting अब आप समझ पाओगे. You can very much easily go through with this notice of the AGM of Reliance. अब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. I just have to inform you the ordinary business or falana etc. etc. Just let me show you the just a second. Yes, here it is. No. Yes, oh, where it is. X the notice. Sir, now you have understood this concept also. Sir, in the annual general meeting, we will place the financial statement, we will place the board report, we will place the auditor reports. Yes, for the consideration of the shareholders. Shareholders इनको पढ़ेंगे, आपको डांट भी लगाएंगे अगर आपने ज्यादा खर्चा किया होगा तो. ओके सर, आई होप आपको ये सारी चीजें समझ में आई होगी. आई होप you have understood all the concept with respect to this. If you still have the doubt, you may ask me anytime. No problem at all. Oh, I have not shared. Just a second. Yeah. Here is the screen. The first item of the Reliance AGM is to consider and to adopt the financial statement of the company, the board, the director's report, the auditor report. So you can now go through with the annual general meeting notice of the company. If you still have the doubt, do not worry to reach me through WhatsApp. No problem at all. We will have the classes like this. Okay. Still, if you have the doubt, you may ask. No doubt, sir. No doubt. Thank you so much to all of you. I hope you must have understood the concept. Thank you. See you soon in the next class.
Thank you, sir.